On Tuesday, Grzegorz Braun of the Confederation Party took a fire extinguisher from a wall in the lobby of the Parliament chamber and walked over to the Hanukkah candles, creating a cloud of white powder that forced security guards to rush those present, including children, out of the area. The candles had been lit as part of an annual celebration of the Jewish holiday. During Thursday's ceremony, attended by Polish President Andrzej Duda and Parliament speakers, Poland's Chief Rabbi Michael Szudrich said that nothing and no one would break down Polish and Jewish unity. They cannot extinguish us because we stand together, he said after the lighting ceremony. The Polish Marshal of the Sejm, Szymon Hołownia, excluded Braun, who is known for his pro-Russian and anti-European Union views, from the sitting on Tuesday and informed prosecutors about his actions. Braun will also lose half his salary for 3 months and all parliamentary expenses for 6 months as a punishment. The Confederation political party, which during its campaign for the October elections tried to focus mainly on economic issues and criticism of the extent of Poland's support for Ukraine, has also suspended Braun. However, the party's co-leader, Krzysztof Bosak, is facing calls that he be dismissed from his position as deputy speaker after he failed to stop Braun addressing the chamber following the incident.